Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking. Greg, it's been too long.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Where have I been? Well, I've been home, as many of you are as well. With COVID-19 hitting, everything pretty much shut down. However, so did my computer. Long story short, my computer crashed. I had about 5 YouTube videos worth of footage on there that I was going to upload. All gone when the computer crashed. And with COVID-19, there was nowhere to take it to get fixed. So I now finally have my computer back. I lost everything. We're gonna shoot a quick video on how to swap out your emblems. These chrome ones, they've gotta go. I've got glossy black M3CS badges from IND. We'll swap those out. It should only take us about 20 to 30 minutes to do, max. If you're doing any longer than that, you're doing something wrong. So all you need, which you can find around your house, is a hairdryer or a heat gun, fishing line, Goo Gone, and some painter's tape. That's it, that's all you need. You're gonna line it up, I'll show you how. Let's do it. Okay, so for step 1, you'll wanna make sure that the area you're working with is clean. Make sure there's no dirt or grime. It's all spit spot clean, ready to go. Step 2 is making your template. So here's where you're going to use your painter's tape to make a box around the emblem. Make sure that you get all the way up to the edge of the emblem so that when you put the new one on, it's going to be perfectly lined up. Step 3 is to take a heat gun and warm up the adhesive on the emblem. Now using your fishing line, you're going to run it underneath the emblem to pry it off. Now, if there's any remaining residue, you'll want to heat it up and then pick it off as you would with any sort of leftover adhesive. If you happen to have a credit card or a squeegee, also used for vinyl application, this will come in handy as well. With the area all cleaned, let's take a moment to admire the new emblem that will be going on in place. Here's a side-by-side comparison of what was before and after. This should definitely liven up the look of the vehicle. For the last step, there are a few different ways you can go about installing the emblem. Some people will individually take each emblem and place it if you have it properly templatized like here. Another technique is to lay a piece of painter's tape across the front side of the emblem and then adhere it to the final resting place. Keeping the adhesive as clean as possible, you're going to adhere it based on your template lines. We should be good. You'll want to give it a little bit more pressure, possibly with a damp rag, just to soften it up and give it its final resting spot. And there you go. Nice stealth look, no more chrome. Took only about 20-30 minutes to do. We'll take it out for a quick spin, get a couple glamour shots, and on to the next project.